Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the machines, install Altserver on your Mac or PC, and sign in with your Apple ID. Once done, plug your iPhone into the computer with a lightning cable at least once so Altserver recognizes it. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This lets Altserver and your iPhone exchange discovery packets. Now open Altserver on the desktop and unlock your iPhone. Do not close Altserver yet. These steps let the sync handshake begin. Next, use Altserver to install Altstore to the connected iPhone. Choose the device name from the Altserver menu and follow prompts. After installation, open Settings on the phone and trust the developer profile you used, because iOS blocks unsigned apps otherwise. Then enable Wi-Fi syncing for your device in Finder, Mac OS, or iTunes, Windows, so the phone remains visible for Altserver without a cable. Keep Altserver running on the desktop. This maintains the tunnel Altstore needs to update apps. Finally, open Altstore on your iPhone and enable Wi-Fi sync in its settings so the app will accept updates over the network. Make sure Altserver runs on the computer and that both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi. Altstore will display a last updated timestamp when the sync succeeds. If it does not, restart Altserver, disable and re-enable Wi-Fi syncing on the phone, and toggle Wi-Fi off and on. This simple restart fixes most discovery or connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.